How to change language on the Nintendo eShop. Go to Nintendo eShop, login, re-enter password, and what you see now is that the language is in Dutch. To change the language, what we need to do is we need to log in on nintendo.com. Yes, so we are on Google. What we need to do is we need to log in into nintendo.com. What you see is here, I am already also logged in. So what we need to do is we need to go here to settings. And then to change the language on the Nintendo eShop, what we need to do is we need to change here our region. Now it is in Dutch, so let's click on change. And let's select, for example, the United States. Save changes. I agree. Alright guys, so if you go now back to the Nintendo eShop, we will see that the language is changed. Alright, now we need to log in again on the Nintendo eShop. It says there was an error, start the Nintendo eShop again. So now we start it again. Re-enter password. And what you see now guys is that the language is in English. So I hope this video was helpful, and then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.